To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Kraken, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have an account on both Crypto.com and Kraken, and ensure that you have the necessary cryptocurrency in your Crypto.com account that you want to transfer. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the account dashboard. From there, click on the transfer option and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You will see the available balance and the transfer options. Next, you need to get the deposit address from your Kraken account. Log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Funding tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and click on Generate Deposit Address. You will see a unique deposit address that you need to copy. Go back to your Crypto.com account and paste the deposit address in the transfer form. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email from Crypto.com to verify the transaction. Once you verify the transaction, the transfer process will start. The transfer time may vary depending on the blockchain network and the cryptocurrency you are transferring. It is essential to note that you need to consider the transaction fees and the minimum transfer amount before initiating the transfer. Also, make sure that you are transferring the correct cryptocurrency to the correct address to avoid any losses. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Crypto.com to Kraken is a straightforward process that requires you to have an account on both platforms, get the deposit address from Kraken, and initiate the transfer from Crypto.com. Always double-check the deposit address and the transaction details to ensure a smooth and successful transfer.